In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaigns in Mailchimp. I'm starting here on the Mailchimp dashboard and we'll go straight to the top right corner where you'll see the option to create email. I'm clicking that now to begin building a new campaign. Once the setup screen opens, Mailchimp will ask how you'd like to start. You can choose create from scratch if you want to build everything fresh, or you can select a template if you'd rather begin with a ready-made layout. Either option works, so I'll choose one and continue into the setup. Now we need to give the campaign an internal name. This name is mainly for your own organization, so it helps you identify the campaign later inside your account. I'm typing in a clear name here, so it's easy to recognize when I come back to it later. Next, we'll select the recipients for this email. This is where you choose the audience or contact list that should receive the campaign. I'm selecting the correct group, then moving on once that's set. After that, we need to enter the email subject line. This is the subject your recipients will see in their inbox, so make sure it matches the message you're sending. I'm entering the subject now, then continuing to the design stage. At this point, I'm clicking Edit Design. This opens the Mailchimp drag and drop editor where we'll build the actual email. On the side, you'll see different content blocks you can place into the layout. I'm dragging in text blocks, image sections, and buttons to shape the email the way I want. Now I'm adding the logo near the top so the branding is clear right away. Then I'm adjusting the content so it feels clean, readable, and engaging. You want the message to be easy to scan and visually balanced, so I'm spacing things out as I go. Once the content is in place, I'm taking a moment to check every link in the email. This is important because broken or incorrect links can affect results. I'm clicking through each one and making sure everything points to the right place. Now I'm using the preview tool to see how the email looks on both desktop and mobile. This helps catch spacing issues, oversized images, or anything that feels off on smaller screens. I'm reviewing both versions before moving forward. Everything looks good, so I'm clicking save and exit to return to the campaign summary. From here, all the main pieces are complete and ready to go. Once you're satisfied with the setup, the recipients, the subject line, and the design, go ahead and click send. That's it. Your Mailchimp email campaign is now on its way to your audience.